G'day viewers, Dano here from Dano's channel, back at you one more again. Alright, today we're going to be doing a bit of work on this here camper trailer. When this trailer was ordered, we ordered it with larger than normal tyres so that it would match up with the vehicle we're towing it with. But old mate who built it didn't factor those larger tyres into the plan. So if you have a bit of a look down here, you'll note that as we go over bumps or put a bit of load on the trailer, the tyre moves back and it rubs on the interior of the mudguard at the back here and also up at the top, which really isn't good enough. We can't put much of a load on it at all. What we're going to do is we're going to lift the height of the trailer. Not only will that allow the trailer to ride a little bit more level when it is loaded up, but it should do away with all that rubbing. So without too much more rooting around, let's get on to getting it on. First thing we're going to do, jack the trailer up, throw a couple of jack stands under it, pop the wheel off, and then we'll have a look at what's going on from there. Right, now we've got some jack stands under it and the wheels off the ground. We're going to whip the wheels off both sides and have a look at the spring hangers and whatnot. Rightio, once we've got the nuts on our U-bolts undone and our hub off the axle, we're going to undo this bolt up here and drop the front of our spring down so we can pull the axle out, flip it over and mount it underneath here. So let's get on to getting it on. You! Rightio, we've removed the split pin and the castle nut, we've taken the bearing and the hub off. Now we've just got to release these 4 bolts here and take that backing plate off so that we can pull that axle out and slide it in underneath. Alrighty, so that's everything buttoned up. Got our backing plate back on. All we've got to do now is throw our hub back on, whack a bit of grease in it, nip the bearing up, and yeah, the job will be right. So yeah, let's knock that over and the job will be right. Oh, there you have it. Job's done. Pretty happy with that. All I've got to do now is jack it up a little bit, throw the wheel back on it, and that'll be job done. If you've enjoyed today's content, don't forget to give me the old thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you're not already a subscriber, what are you doing? Jump on board and check out some of my other videos. Alright people, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. just a bit of an extra for you. Let's have a look at what sort of a difference in clearance that little change made. Just going from having the axle on top of the springs to flipping it over underneath, that's made a huge difference, and that's probably something like it should have been from when it was originally made. Now look, overall I'm pretty happy with how this has turned out. Didn't take long, wasn't hard, no special tools required. If you stick about, I'll show you a before and after screenshot. Alright, thanks for stopping by. See you on the next one.